Welcome back, guys, to 3.3. Let's change this gun because oh my god. Okay, I need to use my health. Okay. Back to the machine gun. I should have took that shotgun. Oh well. Is there anything up here? Nope. Okay. Hello! I think I should change this to a shotgun because I think shotgun for me actually lasts longer. Okay, let's see. Okay. I shot you! Die! Okay. No, no, no. No touchy, dude. Okay. Okay. We have to go. Yo! Smack you. Get back, boys. We're coming through. Okay. Line boom. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, a lot of zombies. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Come on. You guys just punch to the side. Nope. Let's get out of here. Okay, let's get up here. Oh, baby. Nope. Nope. Oh, I was about to go punch him too. Fudge. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Come on, zombies! Yeah, baby! Kills for days. Come on, come on. Down. Dummy. Come on, yeah. Ooh, zombies. My god. Come on. Come on. You are some dumb zombies. My god. Woo! Okay. Let's continue. Okay. No, it's not that way. Ammo. It's some pills. Ah. Why are you here again? She's right there. Leave her there. Better shotgun. Sweet. Nope, you're not taking me with you. Ah. No, my buttons. Oh god. Okay. Come on, guys. Kill that freak. Come on, come on. Oh my god, this is... Come on. Come on. Die, you freaks. Oh god, I hear a whole bunch coming. Okay, pipe bomb. Pipe bomb's ready. Where are they? Yeah. Go pipe bomb. Okay. Get myself a pipe bomb here. Can I pick it up, please? Yeah. Don't touch me. Get back. Get back. No, no, no. No touchy, please. No touchy. What's in there? More pills. You lose your leg. Ah! 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 What the fudge you guys coming from? Ah! Yeah. Nope. Nope. You lose your leg. You lose your back. Nope. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. So. Oh god. Okay. Oh god. Come on. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. 1 second. Okay, guys, we're back. Okay. Ah. Okay, let's continue. Oh god. Yeah, I'm tossing this. Yeah. Oh god. Here we go. That should have killed all of them. Oh god. Nope. Nope, not gonna happen. Okay, there we go. We need to head this way. Nope, you're not killing me. So that... Come on. Ah! Come on. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Oh, where is he? Okay, there he is. Die! Okay. Let him go. Okay, he's still alive. Okay, took me to the wrong spot. Oh god. Don't you touch me. Nope, nope. Come on, die. Oh god. Okay, where's the door? We need to find the door. Oh god, I'm almost out of ammo too. Okay. Is it over there? Yep, it is. Okay, let's go this way, guys. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh god. Come on, die, die. Okay, we're wasting ammo. We're wasting ammo. Ow, ow. Ah. Woo, woo. Okay. Okay, there we go. Nope. Okay. Oh. Oh. The girls there. Okay, we have to go around. Let's go around, guys. Let's kill that guy. Okay. Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, let's kill these. Nope, you're not killing me. Damn it, they started it. No. Get off her! Get off her! Whew. Okay, let's revive her real quick, guys. There we go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go up. Okay. Okay. Oh, here's the door. Sweet. Okay, here we go, guys. Get in, get in, get in, get in.
Come on, ladies.
Oh god.
Inside.
Lewis, get in. Okay. Ah. So there you go, guys. That was 3.3. So I'll see you guys next time in the next episode. Leave a like and subscribe. And I hope you guys are enjoying this. Take care and goodbye.